And among those 1,500 people now out of a job at the Sumitomo plant, the man who risked his own life to save many others during the Christmas blizzard in Buffalo in 22. If Jay Withey looks familiar, it's because this isn't the first story I've done with him.
I had to do it to save everyone and get them to shelter. Merry Christmas, Jay.
The 29-year-old Withey became known as Merry Christmas Jay after he saved 24 people from the Christmas blizzard of 2022 by breaking into a Buffalo school to provide shelter.
I thought we were going to die.
Just always been that person.
Just unfortunate.
But now Jay finds himself as a person out of a job.
We had no idea.
Along with hundreds of his now former co-workers at Sumitomo.
Pretty tight-knit. It's almost like a big family, but everyone's pretty let down.
Part of that family includes Jay's cousin, Matthew Mondo.
We're literally putting our bodies up to make this place run.
Together, this group was the first step in making Sumitomo tires.
So we took raw materials and turned it into the rubber that eventually became the parts of the tires.
Mondo tells me the timing is tough. He's making payments on the house he just bought. With no warning, he'd be out of a job weeks later.
It's like a landlord booting you out with no cause.
If this was a Buffalo-owned company, it would never happen.
But Jay remains hopeful that the City of Good Neighbors will help him and these men and women get back to work.
When you go through something, you don't go through it alone in Buffalo.
And Jay being Jay, even out of a job, he's already focused on helping other people.
If I can use my connections to help anyone else out that that works here, I'm absolutely going to do so.
Michael Schwartz, 7 News, Town of Tonawanda.